You'd think that Luna 25 had watched too many action movies because it suddenly zipped past India's Chandrayaan-3. It's like the tortoise and the hare, but in space. And for a moment there, everyone was placing their bets on Russia for the finish line photo. But then, oh boy, drama. Space, as it turns out, isn't just the silent, empty vacuum we all imagine when we think of our ex's heart. As Luna 25 got close to making history, it had an oops, my bad type of moment. Alarms went off, probably sounding like that annoying alarm clock you've been meaning to replace. Roscosmos, Russia's equivalent to a worried parent, announced that Luna 25 hit a hiccup.